In a world where exclusivity is the ultimate status symbol, the most luxurious homes are no longer just about size. They are about innovation, personalization, and cutting edge design. Welcome to the pinnacle of modern luxury living. These homes are masterpieces of architecture, blending modern design with sustainable technology. From infinity pools that blend into the horizon of rooftop gardens with panoramic city views, every detail is crafted for those seeking the extraordinary. Inside, it's not just luxury, it's a seamless fusion of style and technology. Every room is designed with curated art pieces, state of the art gadgets, and rare materials sourced from around the globe. Automated systems adjust lighting, temperature, and security with a single command, while hidden panels reveal home theaters and private spas. The ultimate luxury is having your every desire fulfilled at home, from private movie theaters and wine cellars to fully equipped gyms and personal museums. These homes redefine what it means to live in comfort and style. Whether nestled in a scheduled mountain estate or atop a penthouse in the heart of a bustling metropolis, location is key. These homes offer privacy, security, and most importantly, prestige. This is more than just real estate, it's a statement. Welcome to the world of tomorrow's elite, where luxury knows no bounds and your home is your sanctuary. Are you ready to take a step inside?